This is a nasal spray. Today I'm going to tell you how to use it correctly. Priming is important when you're using a nasal spray for the first time or if the spray hasn't been used for several days. How do you prime a nasal spray? Shake the bottle gently for 10 seconds, remove the dust cap from the spray, hold the bottle upright with 2 fingers on the shoulders of the spray pump and your thumb on the bottom of the bottle. Repeat pumping action. Once you see a fine mist, your nasal spray is ready to use. First, blow your nose gently to clear the passageways. Step 2. Now close one of the nostrils using your finger and slightly tilt your head forward. Step 3. Keep the bottle upright and carefully insert the tip of the nozzle in the other nostril. Breathe in and use your index and middle fingers to squeeze the pump to release the spray. Step 4. Remove the bottle from the nostril and breathe out. If 2 sprays are recommended in one nostril, repeat the previous steps in the same nostril. If a second dose is recommended for your other nostril, repeat the steps again. After using the nasal spray, wipe the nozzle with a clean cloth or tissue and replace the protective dust cap. Here are some important instructions for you. Clean your nasal spray at least once a week. To clean your nasal spray, soak the nozzle and dust cap in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. Now, rinse both under clean running water and allow them to air dry. Never try to unblock the nozzle using a pin or any other sharp object. Do not allow any other person to use your nasal spray. For more information on product, refer the pack insert or log on to breathefree.com or you can call on 987 333 5577.